Saving penalties in FC24 is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can save the penalties in FC24. So FC24 is actually FIFA's latest game. They just changed the name from FIFA to FC. So how can you actually save the penalties in case you are playing with a friend and the thing got to the penalties? Now you are saving the penalties. How can you do that? Now I'm going to show you with the controller example. So as you guys can see, we have two joysticks on every controller, the right one and the left one on every controller, on PS as well and on Xbox as well. So what does this joystick do is the right joysticks actually let you move your goalkeeper to the right left before even the kicker have even kicked the ball. What this joysticks do is this joysticks let you jump or try to save the ball by jumping into the direction. So you just have to anticipate, or you just have to try to fake the goal kicker that you are going in the right direction. And when he thinks that you are going in the right direction, you have already anticipated that you will try to save on the left side. What he will do is he'll try to shoot on the left side. Then you will simply move this joystick. What it will do is it will let you save the goal. So you just have to play with your mind. You just have to be creative, try to anticipate someone's movement. So that's how you guys can better and save penalties in FC24. Hope you guys find this video helpful.